What's up YouTube, it's your boy Pedro once more telling you that every mobile content creator should get one of these. Roll intro. Okay, so this is a Zhiyun Smooth-Q. It's a pretty old gimbal, but which costs about $124 now. It's kind of hard to find on Amazon, but yo, this mobile gimbal is pretty impressive. It's not only for mobile phones. You can use it with your action cameras, such as a EOS 5, EOS 7, and one of the action cameras there is out there. So this gimbal is a 3-axis gimbal, which provides very smooth footage, which I must say. So I went to the beach yesterday with it and tested it out, and you know that based on the fact it's a beach, it's sand, the breeze, and all those type of stuff. So I have some test footage here, and I must say that I'm very impressed with this type of gimbal. So there's an app for it for iOS devices and Android devices, and you can also use that same app to record, which gives you functionality from right here instead of using your phone screen. Alright, so I'm gonna test out the gimbal out of the Gideon. You see me? So I am out at Blackmagic beach. I don't know how the audio sound, but based on how this looks, it looks pretty stable. So this is the beach. Beautiful, 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 beautiful beach. Yo, look at the clouds. But this look feels really stable though. So I'm not going to go in depth about this gimbal. There's so much videos out there, and I think it's still an awesome gimbal to use if you're a mobile content creator. Very easy to use, and based on how easy it is to use, I did a video recently with another gimbal, but that is for DSLR cameras, about vertical mode. And with this gimbal, doing vertical mode is very easy, like super easy. So because you have the functionality to turn the back knob that tightens the camera, see, vertical mode with ease. This type of gimbal enhance camera functions such as camera record, zoom in / zoom out, face tracking, panorama mode, and time-lapse mode can be achieved via using the mobile app. So I would recommend this gimbal. Well, they have cheaper gimbals out there. I think I saw one on Amazon for like $30 or $45. So every gimbal comes with different functionality. Yeah, I think you have 2-axis gimbal and you have 4-axis mobile gimbal. I'm not sure, but I think there is out there. But I really like this gimbal. I think it's affordable. There's one on the Zhiyun site for $76 or $79, which is way cheaper than this. I'm not sure if this is still on the site. It is very good, that's all I can say. So I think that if you're doing content creation with your mobile device, get one of these gimbals. So this is my gimbal for my mirrorless camera for my Blackmagic. You see the size difference? See the size difference? And there is a massive price difference, because this is for like $599. This is like $124. Yeah, so this gimbal is really for mobile devices and action camera, and this is for the bigger toys. Oh, a side note, it doesn't comes with this base handle. Actually using it from my Zhiyun Crane 2S. Oops, yeah, so it doesn't come. This is the actual height and size of it. You can buy a stand for it because it's a universal stand. So that's all for today, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you again in the next one. Peace.